ko naman, ang may dadagdag ko dyan, maraming nawalis dun sa Senado eh. Ang daming nawalis. So, para sa akin, no, the judges must always be impartial and that will not show any bias, no. Correct, dapat magtanong sila para maliwanagan, hindi lamang ang taong bayan kundi ang mismong ating mga senator judges on the evidences being presented before them, no. Kailangan maintindihan din kasi sila ho ang maghuhusga eh. Sila yung maghuhukom eh. But yung sa kanilang pagtatanong ng clarification hindi po dapat nagpapakita ng bias, no. Kung merong mga ganon, I think they should be reminded by the presiding officer of the rules. No? At dapat ito ay isa puso nila dahil ito ay isang malaking issue na kung saan ang national, the nation, no? The whole nation is watching. Hindi lamang ho yung prosecution, hindi lang yung defense, hindi lang yung witness ang binabantayan at pinanunood nila rito. Pinanunood din nila ang ating mga senator judges. So, I guess the presiding officer must remind them, no, of their duties and to remain impartial in this issue.